Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are trying to attempt to fix this radio. If you check all the fuses already and then the radio still not coming on, I'm going to turn the key. And as you can see, when I turn on the radio, it's not working. So today we are going to remove this radio. And there's a fuse on the back here, so hopefully that's the case. If not, then the unit is bad. So anyway, let's go and then I'll start doing this. Let me shut it off. And by the way, this is 2008 Volkswagen Rapid 2.5 liter. And this one is the automatic. It should matter if it's automatic or manual. So anyway, we need to pop up this top plastic panel right here. And then you will need a T20 Torx driver for all the screws. So let's go ahead and pry out this corner right here. So I jam it, and then I'm going to use a prying tool to pry out. Gotta be careful. Oh, yeah, so it's pretty old. So some of the plastics are brittle, it might break, so then this broke up, but I could just glue it. The whole thing just flip up. And it's holding down with all those clips. On the edges. Okay. And there's a T20 bolt right there, need to remove. This is for the vent. So after you remove that bolt, you can take out this whole plastic piece. Okay. Again, you're gonna pry out slowly. This is the broken clip. Let me use two hands so I don't break it. Make sure you don't lose it. Okay, we gotta be careful and ply around the edges. Try not to break it again. See, there's a clip. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I use my finger and then try to push forward while I try to pull it upward. Okay, and then now you need to go around the edges. Okay, with the bottom, you need to jam it in here and then push up. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. You see the clip right there? It clipped it in there. So I need to separate it. There you go. So I jam it in the middle, and now it's come out. See the clip is right here. So you gotta be careful, it's kind of fragile and flimsy. This is 2 clips right there, now you need to separate them. And then the clip on the left and right hand side. I'm not gonna touch the airbag and leave it alone, so just let it sit and hang over there. And there are 2 of the T20 right here. Then you need to take it out. And those are look all the same sizes, so you don't need to worry about mixing it up. Now we gotta be careful and then pry out this bottom piece, this whole frame. Okay. Let's see. I'm not sure if I could do it one hand. I gotta be careful. There's like a metal clip on the bottom. Okay. I think 3 of them. Gotta be gentle. Jam in there and pry out. And go around the edges. Let's see, come out. Yeah, there you go. Also, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one of them got stuck in there. I think that's broken, so. Oh, it seems like all of them are broken. So 1, 2, 3, 4 got stuck, and 5. So now we're gonna remove the 4 of the T20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. T20. I'm gonna use both hands to take it out. I don't want to lose the screws. Okay, after remove all those 4 screws, now I can pull out straight. There you go. And then we gotta disconnect the antenna and then the plug. Inside the plug, there's a fuse. Okay, like a 10 amp fuse. Alright, there's a leveler on the bottom that we need to pull it out and disengage it. This one right here. Okay, there you go. And just pull out straight. There's the 10 amp fuse. We're gonna inspect it. Let me get the fuse puller. And as you can see, it is burned. So we're gonna change another 10 amp fuse in there. Okay. That's why the radio is not working. Alright, I want to talk about this connection for the antenna. There's this frosted pull tab right there. You need to pull backward in order to disconnect it. Because this one you can slide forward toward the radio and it's gonna lock. Okay, this one right here. So it's slide in to lock, slide out to unlock it. So you can pull this antenna out. This is a new 10 amp fuse on my fuse box. The new one. I'm gonna put it in now. Okay, make sure you put the antenna. That's a new fuse. And you're gonna press this the lock all the way in and until you hear a click. Okay, that's it. And now I'm gonna connect this plug back in and lock it. Make sure you press the lever down in order to hear a click. Okay. Now we're gonna push back the radio and test it out. I'm gonna let it hang for now and see. Let me put my key in. Oh, I did a steering wheel lock earlier. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Oh, yes. There you go. Cool. I gotta put my antenna back because I remove it, so. It's a bass, treble, balance, fade. Okay. No CD. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.